Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to sync your Trello board with Google Calendar. If you manage multiple projects and tasks, this integration will help you stay organized and never miss a deadline. Open your Trello board in your browser and navigate to the board you want to sync, usually where you manage your main tasks. At the top left, click the View drop-down menu and select Calendar to see your tasks in a calendar layout. In the calendar view, click Sync to Personal Calendar. A window will appear with a URL for your Trello calendar. Copy it to your clipboard. Next, open Google Calendar in a new tab. On the left side, under Other Calendars, click the plus button and choose From URL. Paste your Trello URL and click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will now create a calendar based on your Trello board. Your Trello tasks will now appear in Google Calendar with their dates and times. Make sure to keep your Trello board updated so everything stays accurate. And that's it. Your Trello board is now synced with Google Calendar, making it easier to manage tasks and stay on top of deadlines. Give it a try, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips.